Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how we can create a lined paper as you see here. For Arabic style you can use this one. Let me delete this text. This one is for English style. If you want to change it for Arabic style, just drag this line and bring it to the side. It become Arabic style. Also you can automatically change this. Also you can change this one. If you want to create something like this, watch to the end. Let's get started. First, from layout, come to here, custom margin. Okay, select the margin. I change it to 0, make all 0. It depends on you, but I prefer 0. Okay, good. You can make it landscape or portrait. I selected portrait. Paper, it's A4. You can change the size, A3 or A4. I selected A4. Okay, good. Now from insert, table, bring table. Good. I have a table. If I click here, you can, from table layout, change the space between lines. I change it to 1 centimeter. Okay, good. For this one, just bring it down to preferred location. Also, if I click here, from here you can change the distance or space you want. Also, I want to take this line to here if you want to write in Arabic style, but for English you can bring it to here. It depends on you. Now I want to add more lines. Put cursor here and just click tab on your keyboard. Okay, tab. I think it's good. Control and zoom. For example, I bring it to here. Good. Now just select this. Okay. From home, here we have border and shading. Good. Then bring this line, this two line. Change its color to red. Thickness 1.5. Delete this one. Delete this one and delete this one. Let's check. Okay. Good. Now for this one, select here. This cell, I select it. Again from border and shading. Type line, this one, red color, 1.5 thickness. Select this side. Okay, good. For this one, for example, I want to add another line. Click here and tap. Good. Now select these two cells. Then from border again, border and shading, I select it here. Remove this one. Okay. Now it is good. If you want to extend this line more than, click here and table layout, change it up to yourself. Okay, now just select it, these cells, and from border and shading, select this one, black 1. Let's check. Good. For this one, select this sides also. border 1, black 1, and then select it the center and OK. Now let's see. You see, now I have aligned notebook or paper. If you write in Arabic style, it's good. Otherwise, you can change it to English style in the side. It's up to you. If you want add more, just from insert, shapes, bring the shape, add it to here. Shape outline, no fill. Shape fill, no fill, shape outline to red color. Then if you right click here, okay, right click, select it, select this one, right click, here we have a text, page, just select it if the writing or text doesn't appear and change it to black. You can add some dots, add enter, number or date. Okay, select it from here, make it 1, then change to 10 and bring it to the side. Okay, now if you want to write something here, for example, name, change text size to 20. Okay, for example, ENG-School. If you enter, it become like this, it's wrong. So backspace, just click draw down arrow on your keyboard. Now directly it goes to the second line. Homeland, another draw down arrow. Please like the video. You can select all or select it all, and from here select 20. Good. If I click here, right, how about your day? If you want to print, just from file, save as, desktop, lined paper, change it to PDF and save. From desktop, I save. Okay, that is the PDF I have. You see, that's all. Have a nice time.